Hello friends, I'm going to install a package and I don't have it in my YUM repositories. For example, there is a package called AHA. What it is, it just converts output from other commands to HTML. The package name is AHA or AHA. I call it AHA. It sounds good to me. Convert terminal output to HTML, right? So what I do is I don't have it, so uh, I'm at the CentOS packages website. So binary package. Here is the binary package. I copied that URL to the RPM. Now there are two ways. One way is we can download it, maybe using wget command, and then install it using RPM or yum local install. So let's try that. So first let's download it. Okay, connected, resolved, saved. So this is the file name that has been saved as we can cross verify. Okay, now we can use RPM command with -i option or IVH if you prefer, or with yum we can do this with local install. So it will not search the uh, configured repositories for this package. Let's do it. Okay, yes, done. We can verify it by running the command rpm, for example, query for this package, and it is installed, right? Of course, we can use yum info also. What does it say? It says that it is installed, but it is not showing it from what repository it is coming. So it is locally installed. Now, what it does, you would like to know, right? So let's do this. For example, the same output we are passing to this package. Aha, let's see. So it has generated a nice HTML. See, up to this. It is using pre-tag, pre-formatted text. Very nice. I like it. How can we use it? Just copy paste it and save the file as .html or .html as you like, and browse it in a browser, internet browser. Okay. Now let's remove this package yum erase uh, this package name aha AJ. The same package is going to be erased. Yes. Now do we have that package anymore? No, it is not there. So the next thing is, this time we do not download the package. We tell yum to install it directly off the URL, okay, wherever it is stored. Ensure that you are referring to the actual RPM file in that URL. Okay, your URL may contain a word such as this rpm.html. So just check that first. You see, examining this thing, then this thing, then this thing, and now installed. Yes, install it. Don't wait for my answer. Now let's verify. Yes. It is there. The package is working fine now. Okay. So, these two other methods I have shared with you. One is we download it. So, what was the command for that? wget and then the file name. Okay. And another command we just write local host. Sorry, when the package is on your local host, you use the local install. And when you have it on the website portal somewhere else, you specify the URL to that RPM yum install. That's it, guys. It is very simple. I'm going to explore this AHA thing. I don't know how to check it out completely. I would like to see some help menu here. What it does, how it does. What it does, I know, but how it does, I don't know much. Black background and white is standard color, etc. Okay, it can set some color style. Very nice. There are several options available. CSS also available. I don't know. I really don't know how to use it. I'm going to learn it because there are outputs that I want to capture and share those logs or outputs in a well formatted file, and HTML is a good one. Anyways, that is beyond the scope of this exercise. Bye bye.